Hi guys, welcome to another weekend of Aussie Indian adventures. It's Friday and we have just finished work and it's raining as well.
It's a wild weather forecasted in Melbourne on
Yeah,
this weekend, so
but nothing can stop us from exploring new towns. And we are on our way to explore a new town on the Great Ocean Road. It's going to be a very nice town, a very beautiful property, and it's an off-grid property, and we're very excited for it. So yes, come along and spend the weekend with us.
stay tuned.
Port Farm isn't just a stay, it's a story that you would want to relive again and again. So, guys, we have just checked into the Port Farm, which is our property for the weekend, and just look at it. We fell in love at the first sight, and this is just the one part of the property that you are seeing. Just look at it and imagine how beautiful it is going to look when the sun is going to shine from both the windows. I can't wait to show it to you. So, guys, we just finished our dinner. It was so yum that we even forgot to record. But we showed you the final product, and it's so beautiful to have dinner here. It's like having our own little date night in our own home. The moment you enter, you see this cute little corner, and then you just wait to witness the magic, the elegance, and the luxury. This is Port Farm, guys. Look how beautiful the property is. Like, how can you not fall in love? I just fell in love at the first sight. Just look at the sweeping views, the opulent furniture they use, and the decor they have done. Can't describe it enough. And this is the kitchen. The whole house is filled with natural lights.
Coffee ready.
And here's my baby making coffee for me in the butler's pantry. How is it? They also have this, which we don't exactly know what that is. I think that's the clock.
Temperature,
That's the temperature.
pressure, air pressure, and humidity.
Oh, my baby knows everything. Wow. Beautiful farmland. Come. It's a bit cold, but still, it's very beautiful. So you can see the endless farmland, and then you can even see the ocean on that very end. Probably we'll zoom in.
But yeah, I think you can still see it.
Yeah. Now let me show you the other side. Come. Come, come. Come, come. So this is their outdoor dining area. They also have a barbecue here, which they have covered. अभी नहीं है.
In summer, but you can come and
Yeah.
enjoy the barbecue.
And यहाँ पे as
Farms like animals, cows,
yeah,
kangaroos.
cattle come here as well. You can play with them, watch
You
them.
can't play with them. You can just watch them.
Watch them. So now, as you can see, like it has this sweeping views like that, flawless views, I would say. यहाँ से जाओ, यहाँ पे आओ, तो कितना खुला खुला है.
True. Such a beautiful place. Words can't describe it.
It's a 3-bedroom house. This is the main bedroom called the sunrise bedroom, because you can see the sun rising from here. Actually, you can see the sun rising from here. So this is where we slept last night, and we saw the sun rising just from that window. It was beautiful, spectacular. So even you can see this room is also filled with natural light with 3 big windows. And just look at the decor. My goodness. This is the bathroom. And yes, that's the bathtub where you can enjoy a bath looking at the farm. I'm gonna make myself a bath very shortly. And this is the second bedroom. I really loved this art piece over here. The whole house is filled with beautiful art pieces. There's one beautiful here as well. This is their laundry. The entire house is backed up with a solar farm, with a solar panel. So we have to be very mindful using the electricity and water here. It's the second bathroom, almost the same as the first one. Now let me show you the biggest bedroom, I would say, and it's for the kids. So it has 2 small queen beds here and the beds up.
Nice time for the dinner, and we are
Yes.
using today's backup plan.
The black
So-
plant basket. And
what
we're
are we
making
having
some
today?
chicken bolognese pasta.
Nice. So we are making dinner on our last night in Port Spain. So our dinner is almost ready. Spaghetti, chicken spaghetti bolognese. नहाने धोने के बाद अब हम अपना डिनर बना रहे हैं, enjoying some music, and we'll sit near to the fireplace and we'll have our dinner. Have the selections of the spices as well. And our dinner is almost ready. Look at that. It's ready. Sorry guys, it's ready, not almost ready.
So this is the final product. And it tastes yum. And we are enjoying it by the fireplace. Maza aa gaya with the warmth of the fireplace and the wine and the spaghetti bolognese. So we have checked out from our beautiful accommodation. We couldn't get enough of that accommodation. Like until the last minute, we were clicking so many photos, soaking in the precious moments. And now we are at the Port Campbell beach. We are on our way to the Schulz, I think it's called Schulz Organic Dairy Farm, where we have to pick up our essentials. I think that's Tom and Eve or something. And you can view this from the viewpoint here. It's a very beautiful point. As you can see, कितने giant and wide and beautiful लग रहे हैं ये limestone cliffs. I think I'm seeing these limestone cliffs so closely for the first time. Very pretty. And now we are off to the main tourist spot on the Great Ocean Road, which is the 12 Apostles. Every time we come here, we always go to the 12 Apostles. Like you can never get tired of this view.
And you can see the some trekkers as well, like who are doing trekking to explore this Great Ocean Road on trek.
There are many walks here, like which ranges
Everyone
from
is everyone is taking photos.
आप अलग बोल लो मैं अलग बोल रही हूँ.
नहीं, बोलो बोलो.
we were talking about the trekking, so I was saying like there are every type of walks here, like some that ranges for a few hours, and that some that ranges for a few days. Like आज we saw ना 8 days की walk थी.
From the Apollo Bay to Great Ocean Road
Yeah.
to this 12 Apostles.
As you can see, थोड़े 3-4 apostles ही दिखते हैं इस point से, but still it is called 12 apostles. So now we are going towards the Gibson Steps beach, but it seems closed as well. भाई साहब आज तो सभी चीज़ें बंद हैं. We couldn't even go down to the lockyard. अब Gibson Steps भी नहीं जा पाएंगे. And now we are off to home. Already
Yeah.
thinking about Monday and the week ahead.
But yeah, it was a nice trip. Thanks for staying along, and hopefully you have enjoyed our vlog. See ya.
See ya.